Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App account closed. So if your Cash App account suddenly says account closed or you can't send or receive money anymore, do not panic. In many cases, the account can still be reviewed or restored depending on why it was closed. So when your account is closed, if you are able to access your profile, you just have to tap on your profile icon, then go to support option. Afterwards, look for the option of account status. Now Cash App usually closes the accounts because of failed identity verification or due to unusual payment activity, too many failed transactions, or sometimes due to the suspected policy violations. So understanding the exact reason is the most important thing that you need to do before try to fix it. Now, if you are not able to access your profile, you just have to simply come here on cash.app, which is the official Cash App website. Now over here, you can just simply click on the option of login on the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you can provide your Cash App login credentials and then log in into your account. Now, when you log in into your account, again, if you are able to get access to your profile, you just have to select that, then simply scroll down a bit and look for the option of start a chat. Now when you select the option of start a chat, you just have to simply start talking with them, and you need to explain the situation clearly and request a manual review. Avoid sending multiple support tickets repeatedly because that can slow down the review process. Now, most of the successful appeals happen when the explanation is short and matches to the account activity correctly. So you need to simply contact them and see if they can help you with it. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.